Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Pay on Android. Easy hack step by step clearly. To use Apple Pay on Android, you first need to download the necessary app. Start by downloading the Apple Pay app from a trusted source. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Apple ID. If you do not have an Apple ID, you'll need to create one. Next, ensure your Android device has NFC capabilities enabled. Go to your device settings and navigate to the Connections section. Find the NFC option and toggle it on. Now, add your credit or debit card to the Apple Pay app. You will need to enter your card details manually or use the camera feature for scanning. After entering your card information, verify the card by following the app's prompts. This may include receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Once verified, your card will be ready to use with Apple Pay. Locate a merchant that accepts contactless payments. To pay, hold your Android device near the contactless payment terminal. Wait for the device to vibrate or confirm that the payment has been processed. You may need to authenticate the payment using your fingerprint or PIN. Congratulations, you are now using Apple Pay on your Android device with this easy hack. Remember, using Apple Pay may vary slightly depending on the app version and Android model. Always ensure you are following the latest guidelines from Apple and the App Store for updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.